Want to lose weight fast? Let's dive into the best habits to get you there. First, start your day with a big glass of water. It wakes you up and kickstarts your metabolism. Second, eat a protein-packed breakfast. Think eggs, yogurt, or a smoothie. Protein keeps you full longer. Third, don't skip meals. Skipping meals slows your metabolism and makes you overeat later. Fourth, move more. Set a goal to walk at least 10,000 steps a day. Every step counts. Fifth, get enough sleep. Aim for 9 hours a night. Sleep helps control hunger hormones. Sixth, keep a food diary. Writing down what you eat helps you stay accountable. And finally, stay positive. Celebrate small wins and don't be too hard on yourself. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with these habits and watch the weight come off. You got this.